Hello, so welcome to my tutorial on how to apply for the Moroccan fully funded government scholarship for the Sudanese. For starters, the scholarship for 2026-2027 application year is all open to Sudanese students who completed their high school in 2024. So please, if you finish in 2025, please do not apply. It's only for the application year for those who completed in 2024. So let's officially start. Quick note, please do prepare all your documents, that is your high school transcripts if they will be needed, um, your high school graduation certificate. So also do prepare that. And so let's start. And if you need to follow me on how to do it exactly, I've also attached the link in my bio on go to the website where you're going to apply. So as you can see here, we have to fill in our personal information. That is your full name. Please do fill it in exactly how it appears in your passport or your ID, whatever. So do fill in your name. You fill in your national ID. You'll see it in your ID, and the nationality of course is Sudanese. And then the type, maybe you're male or female. So yeah, you choose one accordingly. You put in your correct email that is very active because it will be used to communicate with you. So add your phone number and WhatsApp number. If they're the same, well, that's good. Fill it, if they're different, also make sure it's there. Then we go to the section of the high school diploma information. So the examination year, since it's 2026-27, it's only open to those who completed in 2024. So your examination year is 2024. Then yeah, your type of diploma. I see that there are different ones here, so choose accordingly. And the number of halls. I think all that information is in your certificate. So fill accordingly. And then the application information, you're going to have to write the reason why you need to apply for this scholarship. So, well, if you need to know how to do this, please you can research. And if you are still not sure on how to exactly apply for it, do comment in the comments, and I will make a video maybe to teach you how to write why you are applying for this scholarship. And then the next one is if you are currently a university student, please do list your thing. Yeah, it's for those who have already started university, you can still apply. And then the next section is for you to attach your documents, that is your high school diploma. Then you can also add other documents like your ID, passport, whatever. They will be accordingly. Then yeah, you will submit the request. So, after you have completed the first step of applying through the Sudan's Ministry of Education, so the next step is going to be you collecting all your documents, and then you have to submit them via email. So, the email address is also in the description, so please do go and copy it, then go to your email and add it as your recipient. And so, the order of how you are going to submit this email is you're gonna write your full name, you have to add your phone number and the degree level, which is the bachelor's for those who are going for the undergraduate studies. Then depending on the others who are doing maybe applying for PhD and the others. So write accordingly. So for this video is mainly for those who are going for their bachelor. So after you have put your degree level, then you add your specialization, that is the course you want to do at the university. So yeah, that's all you need to do. And then you have to just wait and hear from them. Please do remember they do not accept any application that is sent after the deadline, which is 27th of July 2026. So please do hurry to submit your application. Also, quick note for this program, most of their lessons are held in French and Arabic. So accordingly, mostly like the science courses, like the engineering, all those are in French. So you have to have the French language requirements, and then a few like the Arabic language, the literature, and the Islamic studies are the ones held in Arabic. So please do check that before you apply, and you have to have the right certificate and apply accordingly. Thank you. Well, before I summarize, I just want to tell you this is a very prestigious scholarship to receive, so do not miss it out because of reasons like maybe laziness or whatever. Do not miss it out. Please do apply before 27th of July 2026 so that you can be able to study for your bachelor's. And please do share this video with the right people who need this wonderful opportunity to go and study in Morocco. So until next time, I'll see you. As I am your guide and I'm going to keep bringing wonderful opportunities. So do hit the subscribe button and I'll see you until next time. Bye.